Introducing the Shower Niche Lighting Installation Kit by MG Sign, the most advanced and refined shower niche lighting system on the market. This is the only solution on the market that offers high-end COB LED lighting for smooth, uniform, luxury illumination, unlike other sellers using cheap SMD strips that create uneven, spotty lighting. Fully silicone-encapsulated, this LED strip guarantees a 100% waterproof performance, perfect for showers, spas, and high-moisture spaces. We're the only provider offering sizes from 8 inches to 79 inches. Built to last with a 65,000-hour lifespan and a 3-year warranty, our COB lights deliver unmatched performance and reliability. We're the only solution on the market offering a full spectrum of colors to match any mood or design. Warm white, natural white, daylight, or go bold with blue, red, green, or full RGB, all fully controllable via app or remote. Every component is tested and fully compatible. Each kit arrives ready to install, perfectly sized for your project. Need a little flexibility? Order 1 inch longer and trim on-site with ease. Our anodized aluminum profiles resist corrosion and discoloration, keeping your niche looking flawless for years. Smart home ready. Control your lights hands-free with Alexa or Google Assistant. Add motion or sound sensors for automatic activation. Love music in the shower? Sync your niche lighting to your tunes and create the perfect vibe. The possibilities are endless. Our solution is fully dimmable and compatible with most dimmers available on the market, including Lutron, Leviton, and other popular brands. Compatible with shower niche kits such as Shluter, as well as fully custom-built niches. MG Sign. Elevate your space with premium lighting solutions that blend modern design, advanced technology, and effortless installation. Transform your shower space with stunning illumination like never before. Visit mgsign.com for details, or contact our specialists to design your perfect shower niche lighting solution.